In this video we will see how to create a workflow. Actually, I want to create a workflow such that when any new contact is added in the module, in this module, new module that we have created earlier, then an email that has been set up in the previous video, I shall share the link in the description, to send that email to that added contact. It means when any contact is added in my new module, then that email must receive a notification that you have been added in CRM. Okay, so let's start. This is the setup. This is the workflow rules. You can see here under automation. Earlier we have created a email in this section, action section. Now we will create a workflow rule. So create rule, and I want to associate this new module and send email to contact when added in CRM. This is my rule name, right? And next. So send email to contact when added in CRM. This is my rule name. So you can see that this is associated with new module, right? And what I want is that it is asking for when do you want to execute this rule. So I will do on a record action when record is created, right? So I want, my case is for creation only. You can choose any of those according to your choice. Next. And I want to apply this on all new module, right? If you want that some specific criteria should also match for any record, then you can use this, else you can select all new modules. It means whenever a new record is created in that module, then execute, right? And what I want to do, instant actions or scheduled actions, I want to do instant actions instead of schedule. So what I want to do is send an email notification, right? So send email, and this is the email that we have created earlier using this template. It is also created earlier, and associate it. Now save it, open it, and then 3, and email is Monday Nandan CSC. Okay, and save it. Now I have created a new record in this module, so this workflow must be triggered. Where is this one? This workflow will be triggered and it will send a new notification. You can see here new notification has been received, right?